Very good morning. It's Mark here. Tuesday, August the 5th, 8 a.m. Eastern. That's 12 noon GMT. US session now underway. Let's have a look how the markets are shaping up. Starting US dollar index. We can see same as US dollar attempted to fight back yesterday, didn't materialize. There's the wicket left behind. Today, US dollar has again, through the Asian European session, made a strong start, got support at 98.37 and resistance 98.88. Little wick I'm seeing. Let's have a look on the hourly. And there you can see that strong US dollar to start. Could be a bit of a turnaround. US dollar could be giving up some of those gains and maybe return to dollar weakness. This would certainly be the area where sellers would, as you can see, step in. Sellers would be looking down at the 98.37 support. Buyers will be looking to test break above the 98.88 and look for the 99 level. So strong US dollar to start the day. US session now underway, and we'll see whether that can be maintained or a turnaround reversal and back to US dollar weakness. Let's have a look at the S&P to start the day. Futures market, futures trading for now. Wall Street opens up in an hour and a half. Yesterday, S&P had a strong day, as did all the major US equity stock markets. Continuing that today, a gap up to start, got support at 6,358, resistance 6,379. Once Wall Street does open up, we'll see if there is continued demand for US equities in the S&P and whether buyers can test this resistance level, or if we see a turnaround and support be challenged. Let's have a look at gold. There's the very traditional, somewhat expected inverse relationship, strong US dollar, weak gold, and that's what you see playing out today. Gold had 3 strong days, but given up, you can see most of yesterday's gains already today. Got resistance at 3,382. That's the level buyers will be looking to test alongside yesterday's resistance. Got support at 3,349, and sellers will be looking to test below the 3,350 and looking to test and break below this support level. If I zoom in on the hourly, you'll see the strong sell-off. There you go, all the way down. And here is the attempted fight back by gold off the support area. We'll see if that can be maintained and could well be dictated to by the performance of the US dollar. Our other commodity, Brent oil. Fourth day of red candle and selling. Brent oil EMAs have crossed to the downside and continuing today. I got resistance at 68.86, got support at 67.94, just below the $68 level, matching yesterday's support. Sellers will certainly be looking to test, break below the support level. Buyers, on the other hand, looking to test and break above the 68.86 resistance. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see oil is attempting a fight back. There's that double bottom from 2 hours ago off the support level. We'll see if the buyers, if this rebound can materialize and if buyers can get back up to this resistance area. Alternatively, whether the sell-off continues, weak oil, as we've seen a sell-off in oil, and sellers attempt to make another attempt at this 67.94 support below the $68 level. Bitcoin. In narrow range to start. We've seen that the last few days. We had to end the week and start this week. Bitcoin certainly had fought back. We saw resistance yesterday, all the way up here at 115.7 thousand. Today, sellers to start during the Asian European session. Buyers have stepped in and fought back and now sitting pretty much at yesterday's close. Got support at 113.6 thousand. Got resistance at just over 115,000. Buyers will be looking to test break above this resistance level, whereas sellers will look down to test the 113.6 and come down to the 112,000 level. Daily trend is down for now. We'll see as the US session plays out whether Bitcoin can kind of recover. If I zoom out, you can see downtrend is in place. Sellers are in control, and the 113.4 support level could get tested again. Good trading. Keep that discipline, and I will see you at end of day session.